In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make your own turmeric brightening soap right from the comfort of your home. So this recipe calls for 3 simple ingredients. So here are the ingredients you need. So again, this is a simple 3 ingredient recipe: the goat's milk soap, turmeric powder, and lemon oil. And also you need a microwavable container. You need a soap mold, some mixing tools, measuring tools, and a knife you can simply find in your house. I pre-measured the turmeric already and the lemon oil. So for this 1 pound soap, which will make about 4 bars, you need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of lemon essential oil. So you can adjust these based on your skin and needs, but this is a great place to start. So now let's get started making this soap. So here's how the goat's milk looks. Okay. First step now in microwaving it, we're gonna use the microwave to melt it. You're gonna cut it up into small cubes, just like this. There's no technique to this, just make it into small cubes. I just try to go a lot faster and I just do chunks like this. So try to make them as small as possible just so it can melt faster. So I have this big chunk here. This is actually okay, but I have the time and I want it to melt faster, so I'm gonna cut it as small as possible. So here's your desired size, the desired size. Fill it. Depending on how much soap you're making, you might have to do this multiple times, but since we are not making that much soap, this is enough. We're gonna microwave this in 30-second increments. So let's get started. So you go to your microwave, open it up, just place it right in, and in 30-second increments, we're gonna microwave it. Guys, it's been 30 seconds, and here's how it looks. So here's how it looks. So we're gonna keep going until it's melted. So here we go, guys. This is how it looks. So now we're just gonna check to see if it's completely melted. And look, there's still some chunks inside, so we have to keep going. So let's put it back in the microwave. All right, so let me record us checking it again. So after 30 seconds, we're checking it again, and there's still some chunks. So what I do when I feel like it's taking too long, I just mix it up like that. And then we're gonna put another 30 seconds, which I think will be enough. Should be good now. Okay. All right, it should be good now, but let's check it. All right, so now it's perfect. Okay, so guys, you don't want your soap steaming hot because that'll break down all of the good stuff that's already in the soap base. So this is perfect. It's melted, but it's not steaming hot. So now let's mix ingredients really quick. So here is the turmeric and the lemon oil. So you want to mix the turmeric and the lemon oil because if you put the turmeric right in there, it'll clump up and that'll just not be good. So take your lemon oil and just pour it on the turmeric. Make sure you get all of it. Like that. Make sure you get all of it. And of course you can mix, other oils, but this is just a simple, effective recipe. So now you mix these together. Again, you don't want to just pour the turmeric in there or any powder in there because then it'll be clumpy. So this is like the perfect consistency. So let's just continue mixing that. Okay, so now take your melted soap. By the way, you should probably do this before your soap is melted. Take your melted soap and you pour the turmeric mixture inside. Just like that. Try to get all of it because we don't want to waste any of this. So I'm going to do that. Oops, that's okay. Let me get all of it. All right. Okay, perfect. So let's put these down. I'm gonna get this I put here. I don't want to waste any of it. And now you simply mix it. Mix all the ingredients together. Mix it until you see that all three have blended together nicely. And sometimes at the side of the bowl, there might be some turmeric. Just mix it for about a minute. You can even use a tiny blender. That'll mix it even faster. Okay, so now that it's all mixed, you need your mold. Here's your mold. And you want to prep your soap by spraying it with 91% alcohol. So this is not completely necessary, but it avoids the bubbles in the soap. It just gives it a better look. So you prep your soap by spraying it like this. Okay, and again, you just continue mixing it. And now it's time to pour. Okay, just pour it slowly, just like that. All right, perfect. So now you take your 91% alcohol and you spray it. And notice all of the bubbles going away. You don't want to spray too much, but you just need a little bit, and now all the bubbles are going away. All right, that's it, guys. So in about an hour, your soaps will be ready. They will be dry, and it'll look just like this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more simple 3-ingredient recipes that will transform your skin and be a great gift to someone you love. Bye.